This is the corn cobbers, and I decided to go to the fireworks stand. This is what I picked up. I got 1,000 count black cats, 100 count, 100 count, like Saturn missiles, 100 count. Saturn missiles, 25 shot. There's another 25 shot. And I got some single packs right here. These little garbage tote kids. Damn. Get all those. Then I got this right here, Halley's Comet. Alright. Then I got these. These are awesome. 4-pack of military smokes. They last 3 minutes apiece. They're fun to send up in the air with helium balloons, dude. It's awesome. Got 1, 3, 4, and already been lighting them off. That's 5 packs. Hold on. And these are awesome. 3-peat rockets. Then I got some more bottle rockets. The Silver Fox. Now these things right here, utter chaos. You gotta have them. They're awesome. Light and run. I already lit 3 off of this pack. Same with these right here, the Space Thunder. Light and run. Loud as shit. I got some more Space Thunder. Another 25 shot Saturn missile. Another military smoke bomb that fell out of my pack. And that's it. Thanks for watching the corn carvers, baby.